Hi there. This is Sherri Simpson, your intuitive guide. I want to talk a little bit today about some of the mistakes we make as spiritual entrepreneurs. One of the biggest mistakes that I have made and that I see others make is that we talk about what we do rather than how we benefit. So we have a tendency to talk about the features of our offers rather than the benefits and the outcome. What does that look like? So for me, for years and years, what I did was talk about, I do card readings, I do past life regressions, I do Akashic record readings, I do whatever, a whole bunch of different things. I connect you to your intuition. I do higher self healing. You likely know exactly what that is, but your clients may not. So the reason you're explaining your offers in this way is maybe you believe that they need to know, or that's what you want to share. If you are to flip your situation around and to take a look at things from the perspective of your client, all they really want to know is, can this person help me solve my problem? So when you're talking about card readings, or you're talking about Akashic record readings, or past life regressions, or whatever it is that you're offering, you really want to be specific about the benefits of your offer. Yes, you can mention what you do or how you do it, but you really want to focus a lot on the benefits, the outcome, the solution you provide. Your people want transformation. That's why they're coming to you. So if you do offer card readings, then let them know that you read the energy of the situation, which will help them determine their next step or create a path. Many of your clients likely think that they need something, but what they probably want, maybe they think they want something, but they probably need, let's reverse that. They probably need a boost in their confidence to trust themselves, to believe in themselves, to believe in their own intuition, to believe that this decision that they're about to make is the right decision for them. So I want you to change your wording in your offers and how you speak about what you do so that you're focusing a lot on the benefits and the solution and the outcome you provide, and just a little bit on what it is that you're actually doing. Yes, you want to stand out from the crowd. You want to be really personable. You want your sense of humor and your personality to show in what you do, because that is part of how you're attracting your ideal clients to you. But do please speak about the benefits you provide. So what can you do from here? I want you to write a list of the things that you do and what you have been speaking about. And I want you to assess if you're actually speaking about the benefits or if those are features. In either case, I also want you to write a list of the benefits that your solution provides. So do you help them with confidence? Do you help them use their intuition for business growth and increasing money? Do you help them use their intuition to make better decisions in their relationships or for their career? Be more specific. Essentially, you want to make sure that you are speaking to one person. So make sure that you're always speaking to just one person when you're writing your content. That makes the person feel even more like you're speaking just to them. I hope that's helpful. If you're interested in working with me, I would love to have a conversation. I have a one-to-one offer for 2 people at the moment. I'm looking to help you create a really juicy, no-brainer offer for your community. We're going to dig into who your ideal clients are, so you're speaking to them and repelling everyone else. We're going to make sure that you understand what problem that your people need solved and what problem you're actually solving. And then we're going to make sure that you're taking the right steps so your program actually solves the problem and brings them to some solution. So you want to be able to talk about that solution. It's interesting with clients because sometimes you'll speak to them and they'll be focused on the pain that they're having and they want to move away from that pain. You'll also have conversations with other potential clients, and they will be more about moving towards pleasure rather than moving away from pain. It's the same concept, but it's just a different way to look at it. So you want to have an idea whether your people, your ideal clients, are moving away from pain. Then you have to talk about the pain more and what moving away from the pain looks like. Or if your ideal clients are actually moving towards pleasure. So then you want to talk more about moving towards pleasure. I hope that all makes sense. If you're interested in working with me further, then you can just send along an email or a Facebook message, and I'd be happy to have a conversation to see if what I'm doing is going to be a good fit for you. Thank you very much for your time and your energy, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Namaste.